In the quest for a healthier lifestyle and shedding those unwanted pounds, incorporating healthy weight loss smoothies into your daily routine can be a game changer. These nutrient-packed blends offer a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body while supporting your weight loss goals. Now let's embark on this flavorful adventure and explore the magic of these nutritious and delicious smoothie creations that can transform your weight loss experience. But before we delve into the details of these incredible wealthy weight loss smoothies, I want to invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more exciting recipes, health tips, and fitness inspiration that will keep you motivated on your journey towards a fitter and happier you. Smoothies are like magical elixirs, blending nature's finest ingredients into liquid gold and fuels our bodies and invigorates our spirits. With every sip, we embark on a journey through an enchanted forest of flavors, leaving us mesmerized by the wonders of nature's bounty and the transformative power of these delightful concoctions. Indulging in these magical elixirs comes with a plethora of benefits, as they offer a delicious and convenient way to nourish our bodies with essential nutrients, support weight loss goals, and boost overall well-being. First, smoothies are an excellent aid for weight loss. They can make a significant difference in your journey to shed those extra pounds. One of the main reasons they are helpful is that they keep you feeling full, thanks to the fiber content. A great way to achieve this is by blending various fruits like bananas, strawberries, and oranges with leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or chard. This combination results in a high-fiber drink that satisfies your hunger and keeps you satiated. Another advantage of smoothies is that they facilitate portion control. You can easily measure the ingredients you add to the blender, making it simpler to manage your calorie intake. Proper hydration is essential when trying to lose weight, as it curbs false hunger cues. Using 1 cup of liquid, like almond milk, water, or coconut water, not only hydrates your cells but also helps regulate your appetite and improves your body's overall functionality. To make your smoothie a suitable meal replacement, incorporate plant-based protein sources such as chia seeds or protein powder, along with healthy fats like superfoods, nut butter, or coconut milk. This balanced combination will provide you with the necessary nutrients while supporting your weight loss efforts. Moreover, certain ingredients used in these smoothies have been scientifically proven to aid fat burning, enhancing the effectiveness of your weight loss plan. Many people have experienced positive results by incorporating a healthy smoothie into their breakfast routine. The fiber content in these smoothies keeps you satisfied throughout the day, eliminating the need for unhealthy snacking. Preparing a smoothie takes just a few minutes each morning, and the taste is delightful. If you're looking to achieve your weight loss goals, blending smoothies can be a game changer. These nutritious and delicious beverages have the potential to transform your health and wellness. So now let's take a deeper dive into each of these 10 amazing smoothie recipes for weight loss, unraveling the goodness of their ingredients and the benefits they offer to support your health and wellness journey. 1. Meal Replacement Smoothie. 340 calories, 10 grams protein. Finding a convenient and nutritious meal replacement can be a game changer on busy days. This smoothie fits the bill perfectly, featuring a rich blend of oats, almond butter, banana, and low-sugar blueberries. Not only does it provide a generous dose of protein and fiber, but it also keeps you feeling full and satisfied for an extended period. Whether you're rushing to work or need a quick and wholesome option for breakfast or lunch, this smoothie has got you covered. 2. Creamy Banana Smoothie. 364 calories, 18 grams protein. If you're a fan of creamy and indulgent flavors, this smoothie will quickly become a favorite. The creamy goodness is achieved through the addition of raw cashews and homemade cashew milk, making it an excellent source of plant-based protein. Along with the delightful taste, you'll also benefit from the healthy fats and essential nutrients packed into this satisfying smoothie. 3. Best Green Smoothie. 203 calories, 6 grams fiber. Looking to add more greens to your diet without sacrificing taste? This smoothie is the answer. Despite the inclusion of nutrient-rich spinach, the tropical flavors take center stage, making it a refreshing and delightful option for both adults and kids. The secret lies in the combination of fruits and greens, creating a balanced, fiber-rich, and energy-boosting drink that's perfect for your weight loss journey. 4. Anti-inflammatory smoothie. 155 calories, 9 grams fiber. Inflammation can hinder your progress towards a healthier you. This citrus-packed smoothie, featuring the powerful goodness of beets, can help combat inflammation and unlock your body's full potential. Not only it is low in calories, but it also offers an abundance of fiber to support digestive health and nourish your body from within. 5. Peanut butter smoothie. 497 calories, 14 grams protein. For those who crave a touch of indulgence in their weight loss journey, this smoothie is a dream come true. The irresistible combination of chocolate and peanut butter will satisfy your sweet tooth, while the frozen bananas provide natural energy. Additionally, the protein content aids in muscle repair and supports your body's fat-burning capabilities. 6. Vanilla yogurt smoothie. 371 calories, 26 grams protein. If you're a fan of vibrant flavors and textures, this tart vanilla smoothie will become your new obsession. The tangy yogurt paired with the sweetness of frozen peaches offers a delectable contrast that tickles your taste buds. Plus, the substantial protein content from the yogurt contributes to a feeling of fullness, making it an excellent choice for a satiating breakfast or a satisfying snack. 7. Apple celery smoothie. 275 calories, 19 grams fiber. Imagine sipping on a refreshing green smoothie at a luxurious wellness resort. That's precisely what this smoothie delivers. Packed with nutrition from fresh squeezed lemon juice, low-sugar green apples, and the zesty kick of fresh ginger root, it's a rejuvenating blend that not only aids in weight loss, but also helps you feel revitalized and energized. 8. Pineapple ginger smoothie. 263 calories, 9 grams protein. Inspired by the health-conscious Venus Williams, this smoothie combines the sweetness of naturally sweet pineapple with the spicy kick of fresh ginger. The result is a tantalizing and invigorating drink that offers numerous health benefits while supporting your goals for a leaner and stronger body. 9. Vanilla matcha smoothie. 370 calories, 17 grams protein. If you love the idea of combining a delightful taste with a nutritional powerhouse, this smoothie is just what you need. The addition of raw cashews not only adds creaminess, but also boosts the protein content. The energizing matcha green tea contributes to fat burning, while the natural sweetness satisfies your cravings in a healthier way. 10. Fat burning smoothie. 231 calories, 9 grams fiber. As the ultimate fat burning smoothie, this recipe utilizes the metabolism-boosting properties of grapefruit, celery, and green tea. These powerful ingredients work together to aid your body's ability to burn fat and support your weight loss efforts effectively. With these 10 delectable smoothie recipes at your disposal, you have an array of options to fuel your weight loss journey with delicious flavors and valuable nutrients. Whether you're seeking a quick meal replacement or a refreshing pick-me-up, these smoothies offer a fantastic way to nourish your body and enjoy the process of achieving your health goals. So get your blender ready and let's blend our way to a healthier, happier you. Now, as you venture into the world of these enchanting smoothies, I'd love to hear from you. What flavors and ingredients do you find most enticing for your own health weight loss journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay inspired, and always remember that your well-being is the ultimate treasure. Here's to a life filled with vitality and abundant health.